I'm be real with you. Ah! I look like a rat, but like not the fun ones, you know? More like you'll find me in your cupboard and I'm eating all your snacks, rat. Rah! Rat! How many inches would you say this pan is? 10? Let's find out. I'd say around 10. I feel like this is an 8. And this is like about an inch on each side. That's why I'd say about 10. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, what am I doing? Why do I have to put oil on the top shelf? I'm 5'6". You see me stretching? I had to lie. She's fine. She's fine. Get this. That is way too much. Maybe I have really big tablespoons. They don't know. Would it even be a cooking video if I don't F it up in some way, shape, or form? No. Alright, so we're making pot sticker. Pot sticker, pot sticker. I am a pot sticker. We are the rats. Rat-a-tat-tat. 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 Freaking got him. Freaking like, got him, bro. Freaking got him, bro. We are the rats. I eat 5 for dinner today and 5 for lunch tomorrow. That should be a nice, tasty dinner. I've got 10. This is a 10-inch, so I need 2/3 cup of water. And then I cover and simmer. So let's play a game right now. You want to? How do I have a lid that will cover this pan? I'm hoping this pot lid will cover it. Wait, I want it on the large burner. You know what we're gonna do now? Clap, apparently. Other teens get addicted to things like vapes, like weed, like freaking nicotine, like alcohol. Not me. I'm addicted to clap. Anyway, what am I doing? Who am I? I'm having a moment. You cracked again. I'm sorry you had to see that. You walk in, you say, that's an engineer. I walk in like this. Being me is embarrassing sometimes. I'm gonna be so real with you. I don't know how to read. Did you know I'm illiterate? I hit myself. It's boiling. I'm seeing boil. I'm seeing a boil. I'm so sorry. Looking juicy in this. Looking like a little boiling little boil. Looks like this. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You get it. Here's the thing. That's the thing. What do now, Mr. Krabs do, Mr. Gow Goo? That was a bold-faced lie. You just got fucking lied to, bitch. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm so stressed right now. You don't even know how freaking stressed I am, bro. You don't even understand. I got stress in my freaking little stress boy heart. The amount of stress I have in my body every time I enter a kitchen is basically unfathomable. It's extreme. It's unpleasant. It's massive. It's nasty. Ow! To my bang, brother. I'm sorry. I'm gonna take a minute. I'm gonna collect my thoughts. Hey, what are you doing? Be real with me. What are you doing, champ? Let's get it together. You're on camera. This is embarrassing. Hey! I don't have anything to say right now. But here's what I got to say. Do you have anything to say? I'll leave the floor open for you. Nothing? It's kind of embarrassing and boring, dude. Some of us got things to say. Sorry, some of us are just so cool and exciting and interesting that people want to listen to what we have to say. I don't have anything to say right now. I don't know why I decided to bully you today. I'm so sorry. You didn't do anything. I'm just feeling snarky. Maybe it's because I'm cooking, and I hate cooking. And I forgot I have to keep unloading these stupid dishes. Ah! Please don't do what I feel like you're gonna do. You're stressing me out. It's getting antsy over here. Ah! Why do I make this? Why do I talk to myself? Why? I'm not stupid. I forgot this is painful. It's getting hazardous. How we feeling in there, guys? Okay. You say lately brown, but I know that MF is burning. She's getting she's getting saucy. Oh, she's getting saucy on me. Oh, I let them go too long. Oh, they're bad. Oh, I fucked them. She said lightly brown.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Well, what are you gonna do? That's how not to cook. I promise I can normally make these pretty well. You know what? I am having a bad day. What's her name in the terrible, horrible, no good, very bad day? That's me right now, dude. Get this, okay? So, my mac and cheese, I didn't put enough milk in, so it wasn't very good when I reheated it, which was devastating. Okay, fine. And then I'm eating my cheese stick. I open it up. It is fucking purple, green, blue, brown. That thing was moldy. Cheese stick. Not even expired cheese stick. I was fuming. I have to go to this meeting. I drive from one plant to the other, only to find out it's been a Teams meeting all along, and the location that we put on the meeting wasn't even relevant. I burn my dumplings.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
They're so burnt. This is so embarrassing. I guess I'm gonna go cry while I eat this. Happy burnt gyoza to me.
I'm okay. I'm fine. Kinchana. Kinchana. Ding, 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 ding.